Hi Year 7, this is your backup demonstration in case for whatever reason you are unable to access Sketchpad. I'm still looking at Michael Craig Martin, but we're going to do his work instead of online. We'll be doing it on paper. These are some examples that I've done previously. I did these on paper I found around my house, and I will provide you with the images to draw if it comes to the point that we have to draw and not use the internet or the online system. So for these ones, I drew my outlines, I kept my lines really neat, and then I added my colours. Going off what Michael Craig, was it Michael Curtis Craig? I can't remember his name now. Michael Craig Martin. What he does, but using the colours I had available. So I've got an iPhone here and a pair of scissors. If you don't have colour pencils or colour paper, that's fine. I'm going to demo it on a sketchbook. What you can use is, if you have them available to hand, is I have highlighters, which is what I'm going to use for this demo. So I'm going to be using highlighters, a pencil and a pen, and the whole of this bit's going to be sped up a bit. A lot of it you can do by just watching what I'm doing. You don't really need it to be taught through step by step. If you do have any questions, you can always email me, or if this is happening in the live lesson, you can always go back into the chat and just ask me a question about anything. If you have pens, pencils, paints or anything like that, feel free to use those instead. But to carry on making, just follow this video. We'll probably aim to do 2 or 3 drawings, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll probably do one in highlighter, and then I'll do one probably in pen and pencil. So I've drawn the battery that is attached to the PowerPoint, and I did a lot of simple, quite simple straight lines. My outline is quite solid. There aren't many breaks in it. I'm trying to keep in that style of Michael Craig Martin with his like quite bold outlines, clean images. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do his work again in something in the style of, but I'm going to use my own objects. So I'm going to do a primary observation now. Same thing before. I'm going to start sketching with a pencil, then go in with my colour, and then go over with my pen, my black pen. And that's because if I have my highlighter over my black pen, I know it will bleed. So I'm going to try and keep it quite clean and simple. I'm going to draw this straight on, so it'll be positioned like that for me, and it'll give me quite a nice shape and some various sections of colour I can add. And I'm going to do that now.